So considering all the feedback which we received, so as a participant, what we can expect from this PAC 2022?
So this year, 2020 is going to be a very big differentiator. We are all excited about the changes which you are going to bring in. The prime and most important thing which we are trying to look at, we are going to spread it across 3 different themes, where we want to bring in or focus each day on different themes. One is going to be team agility, second is going to be program agility, and third is going to be enterprise agility. So we wanted to, traditionally we used to do it in 3 different tracks. We thought we get the entire system together and make different perspective, come together and then talk about how they achieved the agility for the organization. So the first day we talk about team agility, where we get the entire team. They talk about across the culture, the movement with respect to engineering practices, the changes that we have done on the DevSecOps space, the continuous delivery. We get all this together from a single team. So you can interact with the team who have done it, who have achieved a significant improvement in their system and added a lot of value in their business. You can interact with them and ask specific questions and learn from them. So we are looking forward to get people together who have done across all the different roles and allow the participants to listen to them and also interact with them and learn from them. And likewise, day 2, we look at product or program level agility, where we will get team of teams, multiple teams together. How did they come together? How did they brought out a new product to the market? What are the challenges they face? How did they overcome? I let Vinay speak more about the other tracks.
Yeah. So I will tell you, like, it was more in kind of like getting what we were got as a feedback. Other than that, it was a self realization as well, because whenever we were discussing, or if you guys know already, like we were having our team award or enterprise award kind of nominations and evaluations. So whenever we were going for that evaluations, we were feeling like each team is having their unique challenges, and they have overcome with that. They have their own journey of success and failure, which we felt somehow, since we are just considering the top 3 team to come and present, and that is also they were just getting a 15-minute very limited slot to present. So even the audience were not getting an opportunity to ask many questions, and not getting that kind of like a knowledge and information from those teams, what they could have done with the having a full-fledged session. So last year we have seen also, like there was some differences where the team nominations came. In some cases the teams were quite big. It's a product level of team, right? And there are team like one team, kind of like 8 to 10 team members. So we cannot compare these two teams together for the same kind of criteria and all. So we have differentiated with the help of like enterprise and the team level, right? Then another thing is what we have done also as an experiment. We have taken one team out of these 3 teams to present as a keynote speaker slot, right? Where they came and they have presented what they have done, how they have achieved, and that was done by the team, right? So usually I use that word like unsung heroes. So you will find that leaders of that team or that agile coaches and all those guys come to that outside, and they talk about how they have done that transformation, failure, success, everything. But the actual man behind of those transformation, either they are getting recognized within the organization, but outside no one knows them. So this is the platform where we felt like at least we should provide a platform to come to make those unsung heroes kind of platform where they can just talk about their journey, right? And that will be a big change as well, right? So that is what we have thought about this year, and we are working on like a 3 track. One is like a team, a small team who has bring up some agility at that level, and that is also considering all the different aspects. I'm talking about engineering practices, culture, collaboration, fast delivery, everything. The same things applies all these 3 dimensions on the product level also, and then enterprise level, the organizational level, right? So that is what the biggest change we are going to make this year, right? And yeah, you will be able to see lots of different kind of teams who are coming and presenting to you guys.
So based on whatever we discussed so far, it's going to be tons of experience and learning, right? So stay tuned. So, as a participant, to attend this conference or like participating for different tracks which you mentioned. So, can you please give little more details about how we can register for this event?
As a team, if you are as a participant, if you are coming and registering, definitely that registration will be open and people can come and register, right? Apart from that, I'm just looking at like nominating that, right, at the team level or program level or at the enterprise level. If somebody is someone team is trying to nominate, that will also open very soon, which is not right now. There are criteria which we are working on, that selection criteria, that how that evaluation will happen, what are the different kind of information that they have to provide, right, and all those things will come very soon in that case. And for participants, now there will be 3 days. Each day will be dedicated to one particular theme. So the first day team related, so the different teams will be coming and they will be presenting that, whoever is getting nominated and crossing that first evaluation criteria. Same way like a program level, that is product level, and then enterprise level, that third day, right? So that will be the difference, and we'll get to know, we will announce all those things in our website very soon and the social media platform as well.
Okay, so considering this, okay, please
Just
go ahead.
wanted to add. So if you are listening to the video and you think your team is doing something very interesting and you feel proud about what you achieved in last 1 year, I think you should definitely look for the nomination, registration process, and then nominate your team and participate the event and share your different achievement to the rest of the world.
Okay, so okay, thank you. So considering this year it's going to be virtual, right? So are we targeting the teams from India only or from outside India?
I think we are not putting any restrictions towards it. The only challenge or only criteria could be that it is going to happen on IST evening. So I think it's open or good for China, maybe a little late for Australia, and Europe. It's a pretty decent time. Even US can participate. I think there is no restriction at all. It's all about are you okay with the timelines, because we are looking at Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The Thursday and Friday could be working days, so we probably starting in IST evening. So if you are okay to come and participate, that's no restriction at all.
Okay, that's great news. Okay, thank you both for sharing all the new changes and the new ideas. Thank you.